Hey, what is up guys? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to another video. Now, Canon just released a really interesting piece of software which I think could completely revolutionize the way that people use Canon DSLRs for media production, whether it comes for game streaming, Skype calls, YouTube recordings, just any kind of visual work like I'm doing right now or using a camera. Now, I used to use the Canon M50 exclusively with the Camlink. The Camlink's around $120, but I kind of stopped using it eventually because it was really buggy. For a lot of the time, it did work okay, but it was kind of a hassle. Sometimes the screen would go black. Sometimes I'd have to reconnect things. Overall, the Canon didn't really seem to work that well with the Camlink. And not only that, but the Camlink also seemed to have problems with various USB cables, and you'd have to kind of buy new USB cables. That's at least what happened to me, and I've seen other people complain about the same problem. But at the end of the day, the worst thing about the Camlink was its price. It's around $120. Sometimes it's sold out on Amazon, but that's usually the going price that you can go get it on Amazon. So this $120 asking point, combined with a DSLR asking point, it's a pretty big price purchase for anyone just looking to make content like I'm making right now. But the way it works is that you get the Camlink, you plug it into your camera, you have to download the Camlink software, and then when you go into OBS, it'll recognize Camlink and your DSLR, and that's pretty much what you do. It's definitely kind of a process for sure, but now Canon has released their own webcam software, which enables all you have to do is just download the webcam utility software. It just is like a driver, it installs it, and then from there, pretty much all you're going to do, excuse the inception here, all you're going to do pretty much is just go to your video capture device. You're going to click properties, and then you're just going to do EOS webcam utility beta. And that's exactly what is happening right here. As you can see, I'm just using the webcam utility beta, and it works great. I pretty much just plugged my EOS M50 Canon in with a USB cable. You installed this little driver, went into OBS, and it just worked. Much easier than the Camlink. You don't need the $120 Camlink anymore, I guess, and it works great. So it's a really cool update. I would like to see Sony push an update like this to let you do similar things with their camera as well, because I do think that while the Canon M50 is a decent camera, I do think the A6400 gives me a little bit sharper image for 4K. The autofocus is a little bit more reliable as well, but the problem there is I'm going to have to be using that Camlink, and lately I've been having a lot of problems with Camlink 4K recording and stuttering issues and stuff like that, so I've kind of been forced to film in 1920 x 1080 or just regular HD. Anyways guys, it's just a very interesting thing from Canon. It did kind of just make the entire Camlink product for Canon, people using Canon products to make content online, kind of useless, but honestly, it's kind of cool. Go ahead and try it out if you want. I'll put some links down in the description down below. And thanks for checking out this video.